What's going on, guys? Let's make our way over to Stradpizza and go get some pizza. See what the hype is, you know? We are here at Club Scottsdale. Just finished up a little bit of work, and yeah, now we are gonna go grab some lunch real quick. And Stradman's Pizza Shop is literally around the corner, and I did have one of their meat pizzas last time, which was really good, but I want to try their pepperoni this time. So let's go. Gonna do a POV drive of the McLaren. I swear this hill here is the steepest entry and exit ever, though. Alright, let's get it. Oh my goodness, it is so hot. 113 here in Scottsdale right now. Why it is this hot and people live here blows my mind, but whatever. I always get nervous on that little dip there, but looks like we did fine. Man, I love this car. It's so bad. This dip is insane. I can't wait to get some downpipes on this car. Oh my goodness. It sounds so good even without downpipes. I was contemplating between this, an R8, a Huracan, a 458, and a 488. So I had several other cars I was looking at, but man, after driving the McLaren, there's just something about it. It just this thing just, man, rips. Hope you guys enjoy the little exhaust music to your ears. We're actually just about to pull up to Stradpizza and grab ourselves some pizza here. These lights seriously take forever here though. I don't know if you guys, where you guys are, I don't know how the street lights are over there, but in Arizona, you get stuck at a red light, you're sitting for about 30 seconds to a minute. Alright. There's a gnarly dip right here. Look at this freaking mess. Oh, jeez. Let's go around. There's a 6x6. Thing is freaking nice. Hold on, let me show you this. Look at that. Thing is a beaut, man. Alright, where the hell am I gonna park? Yeah, we're gonna go around. There we are. All right, let's get it.